What if the one thing that made you a legend was also your biggest weakness? What if the only way to survive was to tear down everything you built? Well, today on Learning BizCraft, that's the exact story we're digging into as we reverse engineer one of the biggest titans on Wall Street, KKR.
$25 billion. I mean, think about that number. Today it's a ton of money, but back in 1989, it was absolutely astronomical. This was the price tag for the RJR and Nabisco deal, an earthquake that literally shook Wall Street and crowned KKR the undisputed kings of the buyout.
So you probably figure that's the whole story, right? KKR became this powerhouse because they basically invented the aggressive leveraged buyout. It's the story everyone knows.
But that's the lie. Seriously, their real genius, the secret to their power today, wasn't just inventing that game-changing move, it was having the guts to know when it was time to throw their own creation in the trash.
So, here's how we're going to break this down. First, we'll bust the myth they created, then we'll dive into the crisis that almost took them out. And finally, we'll unpack the brilliant playbook they're using to completely dominate right now. So, back in the 80s, they were the famous Barbarians at the gate. The leveraged buyout was their secret weapon, and man, it worked like a charm for a while. But here's the trap that almost everyone misses. The world changed. All the easy targets vanished, cheap money dried up, and their one killer move started to look like a one-trick pony. Their greatest strength had become a cage.
So they did something absolutely brilliant. They stopped acting like gunslinging dealmakers and started building a fortress. This right here is the proof. They completely diversified where their money comes from. We're talking steady, predictable cash from management fees, insurance, you name it. It's a total pivot from chasing huge, risky jackpots to building a machine that's built to last.
And this is the really cool part, the how they did it. The old KKR was basically a house flipper. They'd buy a company with debt, slap on some financial paint, and sell it for a quick profit. The new KKR, they're master craftsmen. They've got this elite team of experts, the KKR Capstone team, who go in and actually rebuild businesses from the inside out, creating deep, real value.
And this is their playbook for today's world. In this new era of high inflation and crazy uncertainty, they're not betting on financial magic tricks. Nope. They're betting on creating tangible value. They're pouring money into the building blocks of the future, like infrastructure and tech, and they're going all in on explosive growth in places like Asia. This isn't just a new strategy, it's a whole new way to win.
And the result of this massive reinvention? A truly mind-blowing number. They're on the verge of managing over $1 trillion in assets. Let that sink in. This isn't just a little bit of growth. It's a complete transformation that's launched them into a whole new stratosphere of global power.
So what's the big lesson here? The real Learning BizCraft takeaway? The ultimate craft isn't just building a legacy. It's having the strategic courage to look at your greatest success and know when it's time to tear it down and rebuild something even stronger.
If you want to master the real stories behind the world's most powerful companies, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe to Learning BizCraft for more deep dives just like this. Thanks for watching.